If you are running WooCommerce subscription service and you want to reduce cancellation rate, then this plugin would definitely be handy to you. It lets you collect feedback when customers try to cancel and automatically offers discounts to keep the subscription. Even if you don't save the customer, at the end of the day, you'll gain insights into why subscribers are leaving and have the chance to make data-driven decisions to your product or service. So let me quickly introduce you on how to use the plugin. And the first thing here is designing the survey. Survey is the first pop-up that user will see when they try to cancel the subscription. You can see that all fields here are highly customizable. You can set description, title, and add your own cancellation reasons from which user can choose when they select to cancel the subscription. You can also force users to add the details when they select some specific cancellation reasons. The second step is designing the discount offer that also can be based on the reason that users select in the survey. I mean, you can offer discount only to those users who select any pricing related issues in their cancellation reasons, like the product is too expensive. The discount functionality itself is based on WooCommerce coupons, so you can use your existing coupons or add new one, and the values from those coupons will be automatically applied if user accept your discount offer. This discount apply only to several payments or for whole subscription lifetime. You can also set other restrictions that are available in the coupon code settings. There are also offer limitations. You can set who will be qualified to accept your offer. For example, if they use your subscription for more than 1 year or if they pass some number of renewals. You can also limit this discount to be offered only once or multiple times for one user. So now if your customer accepts your offer, they get the discount you set. Also, instead of offering the discount, you can choose skip next renewal option. And if you want to restrict this option to be used on the trials, now when user accepts your offer, their next renewal date will be rescheduled in the future by exactly one subscription period. In my case, it's 1 month. You can see it was rescheduled from December to January. And from the dashboard, you can track all the cancellation attempts, see which discount offer performs better, also check all the survey answers made by your clients, and we also track the retention rate for each of your survey and cancellation offers. Top survey answers and the filters are also available to better segment all the answers and make right decisions on your products. As you can see, you can create unlimited number of surveys and discount offers. It all depends on how many products and customer groups you have. We record every cancellation attempt. Even if user doesn't see or doesn't accept the discount offer, you can still find every answer to each of your cancellation surveys. And to segment your cancellation surveys and offers based on product category or individual product or user group, you can use the search tab to limit the display of offer and survey for particular user groups or for product. In this way, you can even create separate survey for each of your subscription products. You also can find a lot more information on the features of the plugin inside our documentation, or don't hesitate to reach out directly to us on woocommerce.com or meowcrew.com.